Hello, good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine at home. So, today we are going to start block 5. And we have completed our block 3. From that blocks, we have learned something about grammar and also some blends. What are the blends that we learned from the last class? Yes, there we have learned about SP and SK blends. Okay, our today's topic is something new. Something new means we are going to do something new, something different. And now, ma'am will speak out some words. Okay, so you have to listen that words. So the words are cat, mat, bat, rat. Okay, so the words are cat, mat, rat, bat. What about these words? What are these words? Yes, these types of words have a special name. We have learned from our last class, from your grade 1. What was that? What is the special name? Yes, it is rhyming words. So these words are rhyming words. So what is our aim today? Yes, our aim is identify rhyming words and we will read a poem with expression. That means we will find out some rhyming words. So today we are going to read a poem with expression. Expression. What do you mean by expression? Expression means what? What is expression? Expression means to express, to show feelings by our facial expression. Suppose if you are getting so happy, then how will you express that? Yes, your pleasant mind, right? By your pleasant mind, ma'am can understand, yes, now you are in a good mood. You are in a happy mood now, right? Okay, then when you are getting so sad, how will you express that? Yes, by our face, right? Our face will become very gloomy, very sad, right? Our face will become, we are become so dull. Then if you are getting so angry, then how will you express that? Yes, our face will become like this, no? Our face will become so angry. Okay, today we will read a poem together and we will find out some rhyming words. Okay, before that, tell me, do you like the poems? Do you like to read a poem? Yes, we all like to read a poem because it is interesting to read. Whenever we are reading a poem, it is interesting. And which things makes the poem more interesting? Yes, it is rhyming words. The same sound words makes the poem more interesting. Like, now ma'am will sing, I'll sing a rhyme for you. Okay? Ba ba black sheep, have you any wool? Yes sir, 3 bags full. One for my master, one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Do you like this poem? Right? Yes, this is my one of my favorite poem. I like this poem most. Then what about you? Do you like this poem? Yes, this is a poem. This is also having rhyming words like wool, full, then Dane, lane, like that, right? Okay, then whenever we are reading a poem, there is a rhythm, there is a tune in the poem, right? Ma'am, sing know that rhyme? Ba ba black sheep, have you any wool? Right? It is a rhythm, it is a tune. So the things, the facial expression, the rhyming words, the same sound words, and this rhythm, this tune that makes the poem more interesting. So, dears, now ma'am will read a poem. I'm going to read a poem, and you have to follow me along with your fingers as I read the poem. Okay, let's start. There is fun to be had in doing a new thing. Be a little silly, give your day something. Ever smile with your eyes and laugh with your nose? You could try it out and see how it goes. Try walking on your hands and writing with your toes. Draw rhinos flying high over a giant blue rose. Have your breakfast at night, eat dinner at noon, wear mismatched socks, comb your hair with a spoon. Doing new things can be so much fun, but you have to be safe. That is rule number one. Okay, dears, ma'am, going to read the same poem again. So listen it very carefully. Okay, ready? There is fun to be had in doing a new thing. Be a little silly, give your day something. Ever smile with your eyes and laugh with your nose. You could try it out and see how it goes. Try walking on your hands and writing with your toes. Draw rhinos flying high over a giant blue rose. Have your breakfast at night, eat dinner at noon, wear mismatched socks, comb your hair with a spoon. Doing new things can be so much fun, but you have to be safe. That is rule number one. Okay, just now I have read the poem. I have read it 2 times. Then have you noticed any difference between this first time and second time reading? Any difference was there? Yes, some things are there, right? What are the difference? Ma'am, when I read the poem first time, yes, I have read it with a flat voice. I did not make my voice different for different words. But when I read it the second time, I read it with a rhythm, with a tune, and yes, there my voice it is went up and down for the different words. Yes, it happened, no? You have noticed this thing, right? Then when I read this poem second time, yes, I have read it with facial expression also. Okay, do you like this poem? Yes, we all like this poem very much. Okay, let me ask, which type of reading, which reading like you most? Sure, yes, sure. It is the second time reading. So, dears, you have to read the rhyme as I read it for the second time. And you have to do one thing. You have to find out the rhyming words. So, then where we can find out this rhyming words? It is that same sound words. It is at the end of that lines we can find. So like this way, you have to find out the rhyming words. Like this way. Okay, so I hope you all have circled that rhyming words. Okay, dears, let me ask some questions, some simple questions about this poem, Something New. Something New. Okay, what is the poem about? What is the poem is about? Yes, it is about a child. Maybe he's of your age, right? Then what does he likes to do? He likes to do silly things such as, right, smile with your eyes and laugh with your nose and move on your hand, and also one more thing, comb your hair with a spoon. So these things that boy telling to us, right? Why is it called Something New? This title, it is called Something New because he is the boy, that child, the little boy. He is asking you to do the things that you have done before your life, right? So the things, comb your hair, move on your hand, then right, smile with your eyes and laugh with your nose. Like these things, he is asking us to do. So dears, this is why the name of the poem is Something New. Okay, now, ma'am telling you something. Please close your eyes, everyone. Please close your eyes. Okay? Now, ma'am will speak out some words and you have to do one thing. You have to listen it very carefully, the words, and clap it for the words. What type of words? Yes, I'll tell you that. Ma'am will tell you some pair of words, some group of words I'll tell you. So you have to clap the words for the same sound. For the same sound means you will clap when the word sound is same, when they rhymes. Okay, be ready and listen it very, very carefully. Ma'am going to tell the words. The words are blows, toss. Listen me my sound and you have to clap. Goes, rose. Close, shows. Nose, rose. Cat, mat. And does, toss. Okay, open your eyes. Have you clapped for all these words? No, right? You have clapped for the words that have the same sound, and you have not clapped only for one pair of word. Which is that? Which word is that? Yes, it is. It is this does, toss. What is the sound? Does, toss. So these words having the different sound. These does and toss. Here, what about these other words? Here, blows, toss. Here, look at the spellings. Look at the spellings of these words. Here, O-W-S and O-E-S. Here, different spelling these words have. But what about their sound? That are same. Then here goes rose. Here also O-E-S. But what about here? O-S-E. The spelling are different. O-S-E and here O-W-S. Here also different spelling these words have. And what about nose and rose? Here that also, these pair of words that also have same sound and that have same spelling, same letters. So let's make these words into two groups. How can we make them? Yes, based upon their spellings, not sound. Here, spelling doesn't matter, but sound, it must be the same. So here, we can, here what about this blows and toes? It is different letters, right? Different letters rhyming word. And here goes, rose also, close, shows. These three words have different letters rhyming words. Different letters rhyming words. Then what about these two words here? Nose, rose, cat, mat. Yes, here these words have same letters rhyming words. And here does and toes, it is not, they do not rhyme with each other. These are different pairs than these types of words. So dears, you have to do one thing. There you have circled some rhyming words from this poem, something new. So you have to do one more thing. You have to make that rhyming words. That we circle some rhyming words. So for that rhyming words, you have to make them into two groups based upon these different letters rhyming words and same letters rhyming words. So how can we do that? Is here you have to draw two columns, and from the first column you have to write same letters rhyming words. Same letters rhyming words. And from the second column, there you have to write different letters rhyming word. Okay, so like this way you have to draw two columns on your notebook and sort out those circled rhyming words from this poem into two types. So first of all, ma'am will show one example here from the first line. There is fun to be had in doing a new thing. Be a little silly, give your day some zing. So from this four line, what are the rhyming words? Thing and zing. The rhyming word thing and zing. That both of that words that have the same sound. So in this group where we need to write that word thing and zing, that both of that word you have to check out their spelling first. So what about their spelling? What about that letters? Yes, here that have both of the letters that are ending with same letters. So same letters means from the first box you have to write thing and zing. Okay, so like this way, let's find out one different letter rhyming word from this poem. Okay, let's check out the next line. Ever smile with your eyes and laugh with your nose? You could try it out and see how it goes. So there's, ma'am, I took the words nose and goes. What about that nose and goes? N-O-S-E, nose, and G-O-E-S, goes. What about these spelling, these letters, ending letters? Both are different. So like this way, you have to find out same letters rhyming word and different letters rhyming word from this poem and write it on your notebook. Then can you see some more words with these does and toes word? D-O-E-S, does and toes. Here, usually so many words are there like this, right? But here, what about these words? Here is both of those words that having same ending letters, D-O-E-S and O-E-S. So can you find out some more examples? Yes, okay, then no problem. Ma'am will write some examples. Okay, you have to check whether it is matched with these words or not. Give, drive. Then has, was. Then our watch, catch. So here listen to these words. Please listen to these words. Here all of these words have same ending letters but that have different sounds. So this words that did not rhyme with each other. Okay, then see, now let's move to our workbook. There are some works that you have to do. Take page number 31 of your workbook. Question number 1. Underline the rhyming words in this poem. What great friends were the lion and mouse. They played hide and seek inside the house, and then came a spider whose eyes were blue. He sang a song and went inside the shoe. So this is a poem. So here what will you do? Here you have to underline the rhyming words from this poem. Okay, then number 2, write one rhyming word for each word. So here in this box, some words are given. So you have to find out its rhyming pair, rhyming words. Then number 3, make 2 sentences, each with a pair of rhyming words. For example, I went to the lake and ate the cake. So here you have to make 2 sentences. You have to take any pair of the rhyming word. Take 2 pair of the rhyming word and make sentence with that pair, with that rhyming words. Okay, then one more thing that we have to do today. It is same sound and different spelling. Here we have found some letters, same letters, rhyming words, and also different letters, rhyming word. So here the question, circle the rhyming words in each sentence. So here you have to circle the rhyming words. Rhyming words are given in every sentences, so you have to find it out and circle. A, the cat wore my hat and sat on the mat. So there is not only two rhyming, there are more than two words are there. The cat wore, from that sentence it is cat, hat, sat, mat. So like that way you have to find out the rhyming word and circle it. Then 2A, the circle the words that rhyme with shoe. So here some words are given. Here some words are given inside the box. So you have to circle the words which match with the word shoe. Shoe, the rhyming pair. You have to find out the rhyming pair of the word shoe. Here, no need to bother about the spelling. You have to find out this based upon their sound only. Then circle the words that rhyme with eat, E-A-T, eat. Here also same, that same sound you have to circle. Then number 3, make 3 sentences each with a pair of rhyming words. For example, I saw the mice that ate all the rice. So from these pair, from any one of the pair, you can take any pair of rhyming words and make 3 sentences with each of the pair. And dears, let's move to our practice questions, page number 24. So now you have to do 1 to 4 questions. Very simple one. Number 1, what is the poem about? What is the poem about? Yes, that we already discussed. The poem, it is about a child, a little boy. Then read the poem again and write 5 things that you found really funny or silly in it. So here some funny things, some silly things are given in this poem. So you have to find out what are they. Yes, such as comb our hair, move on our hand, and smile with your eyes and laugh with your nose, and all. You have to find out 5 things and write it. Number 3, which lines of the poem have rhyming words? So here you have to find out the rhyming pairs that we already discussed. No, these types of words you have to find out. So this question, this number 3, that you have to learn, you have to understood what is the answer. No need to write this one. Then number 4, write one more rhyming word for each pair of rhyming words found in the poem. So here we found some rhyming words, you know, from this poem, circle rhyming words. So here you have to find out one more rhyming word from outside. Okay, so these 4 questions you have to do in your notebook. So now ma'am going to wind up the class today. I hope you all have understood whatever the things I told you today about. We have learned about the rhyming words and also same letters rhyming word and different letters rhyming words. So these things you have to find out and write it in your notebook also. So dears, be ready for the next class. Until then, take care. Bye bye.